Republican lawmakers recently have been defending the current accessibility of assault-style weapons.
A lot of people, for purposes of going out, target shooting, in my state, they use them to shoot prairie dogs.
Why does someone need an AR-15?
Well, if you talk to the people that own it, killing feral pigs in the, whatever, the middle of Louisiana.
Pretty small animals probably don't need assault weapons to kill them.
And now a response from the animals.
Just shoot us with shotguns. What a logical phrase.
Or a bow and arrow. No need for AKs.
Our hides are furry. We are not armored tanks.
Tie us to train tracks.
Hook us on crack. Or shoot us with shotguns.
Did you know the Republican senator who said people need assault rifles to hunt feral hogs has received almost $2.9 million in donations from the NRA? Just shoot us with shotguns, or use a knife you can toss. Fill up a squirt gun with barbecue sauce.
If you can't hit Pumbaa with a white shotgun spray,
Sing it, kid. Then you probably
should quit hunting.